Don't know why, but I love the Ultra smell. I love the smell of this front load washing machine. See what happens when you prop the door open overnight? You get the results of the ultra fresh smell. Not a single moisture on this thing. It looks so brand new. See what happens when you prop the door open overnight? That's how you get the ultra fresh smell. Without the GE Ultra Fresh vent system. It's a very quick tutorial on how to keep your washing machine smelling fresh overnight, even if you clean the drum. Simple. Before you go to sleep, you just prop the door open, either like this or like this, and boom, you get the results of the perfect smell you want in the next day.